Hello guys, my name is Fetuga. How are you doing? So basically, I would like to share with you three marketing tools that you can actually focus on in order to improve your business and grow your business, scale your business as far as the marketing world or digital marketing is concerned. The first one is, do you have a website? So comment below with yes, you have a website. If you do have a website, the most important tool as far as websites is concerned is having SEO. So it is a very powerful tool that you should have, which is all about search engine optimization. So many people search for information on Google and they would love to have that information answered. If you are the first person to be on the first page of Google answering these questions, what do you expect? So you are actually driving organic traffic to your website and it's going to improve your business. Secondly, I would want you to look at the social media channels as marketing tools. Okay, it's not surprising that Facebook has 2 billion users on board, and it's all about database. You see, the basic information is that data are raw information, or data is raw information, and data, the name, the age, the information of your prospects have already been gotten by Facebook. And being a social media channel, you can actually interact and see how you can be actively engaging with your prospects. So come on to Facebook, come on to LinkedIn, come on to Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, and interact with other people, engage with other people, share valuable information that people can actually resonate and will relate with. Then with these, you are good to go, getting prospects and potential customers. Do you have an email address? Comment below if you do have an email address. The third tool I'm going to give to you as very powerful is email address. Have you ever registered for anything online without putting your email? You know you can't. Definitely it is important. If you have an email address, email marketing is still as profitable as any form of digital marketing in the globe. For instance, let us give a very good example. You have an email list of 50,000 subscribers, 50,000 subscribers on your email list, and you run a campaign to sell a product that just have just 1% conversion. 1% conversion. Okay, 50,000 subscribers, 1% conversion. Probably we are talking about 500 people for 1% conversion of 50,000 subscribers. That's 500 people. So if 500 people can actually purchase your product or get your services, then you know that you have good conversion. And if you do run your marketing, you run your campaign, subsequently you will be having other people who would also come up and buy from your product and services. These are very powerful three tools that you can actually leverage and optimize in order to grow your marketing for your business. Probably you are selling products or you are rendering services. And before I go today, I would give you an added advantage. Okay, that is just an added advantage. It's called mobile marketing. Are you on your mobile phone? So many people, billions of people are now accessing the internet with their mobile phone, and there are tons of videos, tutorials that are available. You can actually leverage mobile marketing, leverage mobile phone, and optimize your marketing for mobile users. Check in this description. I've done a video on mobile marketing, linking it with Facebook campaign, and these are very powerful tools that you can just set and you run your marketing, reaching out to all your subscribers, all your potential customers on their mobile phone. Till next week, when I will be uploading another video talking about marketing tools and strategies. If you have any comments, please put in the description, the comment section, and if you find some values from this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn off the notification. I wish you all the best.